If your thermostat swap needs more wires than your old setup has, there are reliable options to get a full functioning system without guessing. First, check the thermostat cable at both ends to count and label each conductor so you know what you actually have. If you can run new cable, choose a thermostat cable with at least 5 conductors for typical heat-cool setups and 8 if you plan to add humidifier or multiple stages, and route it along existing runs through attics, basements, or crawl spaces to minimize drywall work. If running new wire is impractical, use a compatible wireless power adapter kit that supplies 24-volt power to the thermostat without adding conductors. Follow the adapter manufacturer wiring diagram carefully and isolate any common from other circuits. Another option is to repurpose an unused conductor if there is one. Verify continuity and insulation and confirm it is not tied into another live circuit before reassigning it to the common function. When reusing wire or installing a power adapter, shut power at the furnace or air handler first, then test with a multimeter to confirm you have 24-volt common and that the system responds to simple calls for heat and cool. Finally, if you are unsure about control board terminals or multi-stage systems, photograph the existing wiring and consult the equipment manual or a professional to avoid damaging the control board. Common mistakes include guessing which conductor is the common and then energizing the wrong wire, which can short the control board. Always test continuity and voltage and turn power off first. Another issue is running new cable without proper fetch or slack, which leaves no room for future changes. Pull extra length and label ends so you have flexibility later. A third frequent problem is buying an incompatible wireless adapter or thermostat and assuming it will work. Check compatibility with your furnace, heat pump, or boiler, and verify that the adapter supports your specific control signals before purchase. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for jobs like running thermostat wire or installing adapters, and we help contractors find work by listing projects and contact opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we and our users share tips, photos, and real-world experiences to help each other make the best choices.